and kind of surrendering to the process, knowing you can't go over it, you can't go under it, you gotta go through it. Does anyone know that reference from if the Bears picnic? If we go out in the woods today, we're in for a big surprise. If we go out, okay. Anyway, so knowing that we have to lean in and get through something, or else that's resistance, right? And resistance equals suffering. So we want to be able to identify what's showing up for us in the reality, to not identify as a victim, because that will put us into resistance. This shouldn't be happening to me. This is effed up. All the things, right, that create victimitis or victim mindset. So when we surrender to whatever has showed up in our reality and we just buckle in for the ride and participate, it actually moves us through quicker and with more ease, not so much turmoil. Because what happens is, if we fight it, it's going to cause that below the line chaotic energy, instability, destruction. And that's going to poke into other areas of our life. Where if we just keep it isolated to what it is and allow it to integrate in the multidimensional way, mind, body, spirit, let it go through the bodies, then it will move on at a more expedited rate. Not that it won't still be painful, not that you can just do some hypnosis snapping of the fingers and it's gonna poof be gone, but it'll definitely not only go where it needs to go, the lessons that are learned, the wisdom gained by it, but you'll have such a deeper understanding of the process and what was needed to show up, that you're going to have that moving forward. So you're way less likely to have to repeat that same lesson again. Like the spiral, right? We'll repeat things. It'll show up in different ways, different faces, different locations. The lesson, once it's learned, though, is definitely, we can see it coming from a mile away next time. We got a leg on it, we got to jump on it, or and then the beautiful thing is we get to help others through it, because we have embodied what that wisdom and lesson looks like. We've kind of mastered that